how to become an affiliate marketer in 2025. We'll talk about simple strategies and we'll talk about this TLC method of affiliate marketing. So if you want to discover what this TLC method is all about, comment TLC or let's go down below. Kneller Fernandes from Fit-Preneur-Ship out here. I help others start up their own side hustle with the aim of achieving true passive income and time, location, and financial freedom. Let's have a look and see what this TLC method is all about. The first thing, the T is traffic. Now, traffic is the lifeblood of any business, online or offline. Now, how do you get this traffic? The best way is social media. Now, you can see my Instagram account where I built a following base of over 60,000 followers, and that gives me constant traffic from there. Also, Facebook is another source which I use pretty often. I've just started getting back into YouTube as well. So I'll leave links to all these channels where you can see my other content where I talk about different methods of starting up a side hustle online. Now, when I talk about social media, you might be saying, I do not want to be showing my face. I do not want my boss, my friends, or anyone I know seeing that I'm doing this. Do not worry, I have a solution for that. So stick on till the end. I'll show you about that, how you can get this traffic without even showing your face. So let's move on further then. We have seen the T part of it. Now let's go on to the lead part of it. You're leading someone to an offer. Now you could be directly going to the sales page, but I would suggest having a landing page in between. Now, what is this landing page? A landing page is where you might have seen online where you put in your email address and you get a freebie. So a landing page is essentially where someone gives you their email address in return for something. So I'll show you how to get this landing page built in another video. I'll leave this link also below this in the description. Also, if you do not know how to build a landing page, I will be talking about a landing page builder for free, which you do not have to be paying for anything out there. So the next thing is, what are you going to promote? So the main idea here is to solve a problem. Everybody is looking for solutions to certain problems or challenges that they're facing, and this product that you are promoting should be a solution to that. So where do you find these solutions? There are many places like Warrior Plus. You can see this Warrior Plus account of mine. I've got some commissions here. This is one of my accounts. Also, another place is like ClickBank. That's another platform where you can get various offers in different niches. Now, the main niches are health, wealth, and relationships. I concentrate on the wealth part of it. So if you're interested in that, stick on till the end. I'll show you other means of how you can get ahead in the wealth niche. Also, I'll show you platforms where you can get commissions of $1,000 and $2,000. I've had my $1,000, $2,000 days with affiliate marketing, and it's a great feeling. So stick on till the end. I'll show you how you can get that as well. Now, when you apply for an affiliate program, you get a unique link which is coded to you. When someone clicks and buys from that link, you get a commission. Now, the best part is that person does not pay anything additional. The product owner gives you part of his or her profits for bringing in a customer. Now you want to know how to turn this on its head, how to start earning big from affiliate marketing. That's where the C or connect part of it comes in. Let's move on to that. Now, here's where you start building your relationship. That's why I told you we need a landing page where you can capture people's email address. If you send them directly to a sales page, you do not get this part of it, and then you can't build that connect properly. And this is where most of the commissions are made, where you're building a relationship. Someone starts getting to know you, starts liking you, starts trusting you. And that's how sales happen, because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. That's the reason why this is so effective, the connect part of it. So with this, here you set up a system once and it runs on autopilot for you. And where even when you're sleeping, you might be with your kids, you might be with your family, and commissions come in on the phone, by email, and it's a great feeling. And that's what I want for you as well. So let's see a modern way of doing this connect part of it, which is working really great at this point of time, where you can build this trust factor and take it to another level. So the next part of it is where you have your own group. Now, this could be things like a Facebook group, could be like a Skool group, where your prospects start interacting with you, and this is a game changer at the present moment. Alex Hormozy is known for investing in great business opportunities, and he's the person who saw the potential in things like a Skool group, and he's invested in this, and he's become a co-owner So this has real massive potential, having your own group. So you want to learn how to get started with this, learn how to do affiliate marketing at a very high level. Join my free group where I share content that I do not share elsewhere. And also you'll get access to my mentor's free group where he teaches affiliate marketing at a very high level with strategies that no one else is talking about. I'll leave one link which will get you to both the groups. Now this is where you can start earning high ticket commissions from these groups. Don't forget to join my free community and my mentor's free community as well. And you can see how these high ticket commissions are made of $1,000 and $2,000. Now, as I promised you earlier, how do you go about without showing your face, getting content up? I'll leave a link to another video where I show you exactly how this is to be done step by step. So I'll catch you in that other video. Take care. Bye.